Do it.
Hold up. I gotta get a slow motion.
I am legitimately brace yourself like this, and you'll legitimately actually spin.
Here goes Chris.
3.
Wait, no, Chris.
No. Put your
Go,
hand
Chris.
against it.
Oh god, I hate roller coasters.
Now do that. Go.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh Jesus!
Not too fast. You got it, Ben?
I got you. Roll in the
Okay, that's enough.
No more.
Are you ready to get sick? You feel okay, Chris?
Go again.
I'm gonna try it.
This is a little time out.
Alright, up to your
Here goes Ben.
Dizzy from it?
Yeah, I couldn't hold on. Once I was like right here, I couldn't hold on because I was supporting my back.
Okay, guys.
Who's going in with me?
Someone's gonna put it in.
Okay, I'll
Oh, now 2 in a row.
Let's do this. Let's do this.
Derek, get in that way.
Alright, Chris.
Hold up.
Chris, you and me next time. Alright, oh, this way.
Not so fast, you guys.
Aiming at the tree. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh my goodness. You okay in there?
In the poop you go.
You guys okay in there? You okay, Ben?
He doesn't want to get out.
It's too fun to get out.
Chris, come on, join me.
Oh, watch put 3 of you in there.
Get him out of the poopy. Alright, Chris, you and me next time, though.
Who's coming in? Brandon. No, I did the whole thing.
No, trust me, I did too, so this will be interesting.
We're gonna hit each other in the
Yeah, I
face.
feel weird, but hold yourself and you'll go upside down.
Yeah, let's stop right there.
Come on, Camille.
No.
Hold on. Wait.
No, keep going.
I'm here.
Okay, you gotta get set, and then they're gonna push faster, and then they'll just keep going.
We're aiming at the tree.
You're close. Brandon, you're close. Just slide.
Just close your eyes. Close your eyes and pray for the best.
1,
Die.
Take it easy.
Brandon's out. He barrel.
I forgot.
Chris, you and me next.
Facing the wrong way. Oh, this is gonna be interesting.
Chris.
Okay, yeah. Which way are you spinning us? That way. So when you're back,
not towards the fire.
No, I'm not holding on.
I'm not even gonna do that. I'm gonna slide.
I'm sliding too. I'm sliding. I'm going free for all.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys going that way?
3, 2, 1, go.
Bro, skills here, bro.
Dang it.
You're supposed to break yourself.
I know, I didn't at all.
Hey, Chris, I thought you didn't like roller coasters.
I did not touch you.
I know, my legs got out and dragged me.